This is a person-in-person production. Thank you for watching.
And if you don't like it, go die.
Curtain opens.
Oh, hi. I'm Stick Barber, and I'm just got done shaving someone.
I'm naked!
Yeah, and
Run away! Porno. Just kidding.
Today is like really slow. Oh, are you my next customer?
No!
Oh, why are you here?
I came to buy these glasses.
This is a haircut place, not a place to buy glasses.
So?
Well, those are mine, so you can't have them.
Okay. $10!
No, you can't have them.
Here you go.
Thank you.
I don't like you no more.
Don't care. I could shave you. Come back.
No.
Or I'll give you the glasses.
No deal.
Oh, but they're really cool.
No deal.
Here, let me put them on.
No. You motherfucker. I don't like you no more. Your mother was a hamster.
And your father smelled of elderberries.
So? Spring break! Woo! Bye-bye.
Well, I can't put them on, and they just fell on the ground. So, hey, go. Hello.
Holy crap.